Welcome to Green Office Partner Training. I'm going to show you within workflow scanning how you can change the type of document you're scanning. You simply click Workflow Scanning. Here where it says PDF, you would click on the PDF. You would then go into More. And this is where you can choose whether it's a PDF, a TIFF, or a JPEG, as well as a searchable PDF. The reason for the searchable PDF is the ability to, when you're scanning this document to its destination and you save it, you don't have to remember what you name that document. You just have to choose a word within that document. Then you simply hit OK and scan.